Good morning, student. Now we are going to see 7th standard mathematics, chapter 9, ratio and proportion, topic simple interest. Simple interest. First, we should know what is simple interest. The interest calculated uniformly on the original principal for the lending or borrowing period is called the simple interest. Principal or sum means the money lent or borrowed. Rate of interest means the fixed percentage at which interest is calculated, usually on yearly basis. Time period, the period for which the money is borrowed or lent. Simple interest SI formula, principal into rate into time divided by 100, or shortly PRT divided by 100. Amount means the sum of the principal and the interest. So amount equal to principal plus interest. Principal equal to SI into 100 divided by RT. Rate of interest equal to SI into 100 divided by PT. Time equal to SI into 100 divided by PR. Let's see example of interest. Borrow rupees 2000 from the bank. Jordan wants to borrow rupees 2000. The local bank says 10% interest. So to borrow the rupees 2000 for 1 year will cost. Rupees 2000 into 10% is equal to rupees 200. In this case, the interest is rupees 200 and the interest rate is 10%. But people often say 10% interest without saying rate. Jordan will have to pay back the original rupees 2000 after 1 year. So this what happened? Today rupees 2000, next year 2000 plus 200 interest. Example 25. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 4 years on a sum of rupees 1200 at 10% per annum. Let us find the solution. Here given principal rupees 1200, rate of interest 10%, time 4 years. Now we have find out the simple interest. Simple interest formula PRT divided by 100. Now substitute the values. Principal 1200 into rate 10% into time 4 years divided by 100. Now cancel the common factor. 2020 cancel. Now we get simple interest equal to 12 into 10 into 4. Simple interest equal to rupees 480. Now we have find the amount. Amount to be paid after 4 years. Principal plus SI for 4 years. So rupees 1200 plus rupees 480. We get the amount rupees 1680. Let's see example 26. Praveen borrowed rupees 6000 from his friend and returned rupees 7500 to him after 2 years. Calculate the rate of interest. Let us find the solution. Principal equal to rupees 6000. Now we have find out the simple interest. Simple interest equal to rupees 7500 minus rupees 6000, because first Praveen borrowed rupees 6000, returned rupees 7500 to him after 2 years. So subtract. So simple interest rupees 1500. Time equal to 2 years. Now we have to find out rate of interest. Rate of interest equal to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. Now substitute the values. Rate of interest R equal to 1500 into 100 divided by 6000 into 2. So 2020 cancel. 1 2 is 2. 750 are 1500. R equal to 750 divided by 60. 0 cancel. 1 6 are 6. 12.56 are 75. So rate of interest equal to 12.5%. The rate of interest paid is 12.5% per annum. Simple interest. First, we should know what is simple interest. The interest calculated uniformly on the original principal for the lending or borrowing period is called the simple interest. Principal or sum means the money lent or borrowed. Rate of interest means the fixed percentage at which interest is calculated, usually on yearly basis. Time period, the period for which the money is borrowed or lent. Second one, find the principal. Simple interest equal to rupees 126, rate 3%, time 5 years. Now we have to find out the principal. Principal equal to simple interest into 100 divided by RT. Substitute the values. Simple interest 126 into 100 divided by rate 3% into time 5 years. Now cancel the common factors. 1 3 is 3, 42 3s are 126. 1 5s are 5, 25s are 100. P equal to 42 into 20. So principal equal to rupees 840. Third one, find the rate of interest. Principal equal to rupees 500. Simple interest equal to rupees 100. Time equal to 4 years. Now we have to find out the rate of interest. R equal to SI into 100 divided by PT. Substitute the value. Simple interest 100 into 100 divided by principal 500 into time 4 years. Cancel the common factors. 2020 cancel. 1 4 is 4. 25 4s are 100. R equal to 25 divided by 5. Now cancel the common factors. 1 5 is 5. 5 5s are 25. Rate of interest equal to 5% per annum. Fourth one, find the time period. Principal rupees 6240. Simple interest rupees 91. Rate 3.5%. Let us find the solution. Time equal to simple interest into 100 divided by PR. Substitute the value. Simple interest 91 into 100 divided by principal 6240 into rate. Rate of interest 3.5%. 0 0 cancel. Next cancel the common factors. 5 2s are 10. 312s are 624. T equal to 91 into 5 into 10 divided by 312 into 3.5 into 10. Because denominator 3.5 have point, so first we have to remove the point. So multiple with numerator and denominator multiple with 10. We get T equal to 91 into 50 divided by 312 into 35. Cancel the common factors. 25 2s are 50. 156 2s are 312. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 1 7s are 7. 13 7s are 91. 1 13s are 13. 12 13s are 156. So time equal to 5 by 12. Time equal to 5 by 12 years or 5 months. Let's see word problem. Fifth one, Prananjal borrows a sum of rupees 20,000 at the rate of 5% per annum. After how many years does she pay the money back? If she pays an interest rupees 2,500. Let us find the solution. Principal equal to rupees 20,000. Rate of interest 5%. Simple interest rupees 2,500. Now we have to find out the time. Time equal to, substitute the values. 2,500 into 100 divided by 20,000 into 5. 2020 cancel. Again 2020 cancel. Cancel the common factors. 1 5s are 5. 5 5s are 25. T equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 change to mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. So 2 1 by 2. Time equal to 2 1 by 2 years. Let's see sixth one. Rupees 6,000 is borrowed at the rate of 8% per annum. Find the simple interest and amount to be paid after 3 years. Let us find the solution. Principal equal to rupees 6,000. Rate 8%. Time 3 years. Let us find the simple interest. Simple interest equal to PRT divided by 100. Substitute the values. Simple interest SA equal to principal 6,000 into rate 8% into time 3 divided by 100. 2020 cancel. Simple interest equal to 60 into 8 into 3. Simple interest rupees 1440. Let's find amount. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal 6,000 plus rupees simple interest 1440. So we get the amount rupees 7,440. Thank you, students.